Summer contracts, simplified. Why now is the perfect time to invest in contract management software. Whether you're in legal, HR, finance, or operations, summer can bring a mountain of contracts and staffing challenges. This can lead to delays, compliance issues, and lots of stress. That's where ContractSafe comes in. Our contract management software simplifies everything. Our powerful, yet easy-to-use platform helps teams automate reminders, streamline approvals, accelerate workflows, find anything in seconds, and get central visibility over all your agreements. For legal, it's enhanced security and reporting. For HR, it's easy onboarding and digital signatures. Healthcare stays HIPAA compliant, operations keeps projects on track, and procurement gets streamlined vendor management. Everyone wins with ContractSafe. Don't let contract chaos ruin your summer. Empower your team with ContractSafe. Read the full blog post to see how we help your teams keep contracts under control so you can enjoy a productive, stress-free summer.